Hi, good evening. My name is Dinesh Ishkanzavre. Today we will be discuss about object and classes in Java. In a object-oriented programming technique, we design a program using a object and classes. A object object in Java is physical and as well as logical entities, whereas a class or Java is only logical entity. First, what is a object in Java? An entity that has state and behavior is known as object. For example, chair, bike, marker, pen, bench, car, etc. It is a physical or logical entities. An object has a three characteristic. First is state, second behavior, and third entity. First state represent the data value of an object. Behavior represent the behavior of an object such as a deposit and withdrawal, etc. Entity, it is a use internally by the JVM to identify each object unique. An object is an instance of a class. It contain properties and function. They have a real world object, like your car, your house, etc. It is a contain some specific properties and method of purpose, some action. Second, what is a class in Java? A class is a group of objects have a common properties. It is a template or a blueprint from the object are created. It is a logical entity. It can be physical. Physical. A class in a Java is can be contain first field method, constructor block, and interface and nested class. Interface variable in Java, a variable which is created inside the class between outside the method known as instance variable. Instance variable doesn't get memory of the compile time. Second is local variable. The local variable is defined inside method, constructor or block are called as local variable. The variable will be declare and initialize which the method variable will be destroyed when the method has completed. And third is class variable. Class variable are variable declare within a class outside any method with the static keyword. Thank you.